What is poppin'? Today I'm going to be doing my first video for 2018 and it's going to be a winter haul because why not start off the year with a haul. Happy New Year guys! I hope you guys are having a great 2018 and let's just get into it. First place I shopped at was Sephora. I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. This foundation is amazing. It has a pump. Rihanna really killed it and I really do love that foundation. The second thing I got was the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe Highlighter. As you see, I just had a nice Fenty moment, and I got the Trophy Wipe highlighter. At first I was kind of skeptical about it and I was like, do I want it or not? But when I swatched it in store and tried it on, it legit just looks like gold glitter and it didn't look too yellow, and I just thought it was so beautiful. If you want to blind somebody, go ahead with this highlighter. It is so unique and it's just gorgeous. Alright, the next place that I ordered from was ColourPop. I got the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 35. I love this concealer, totally worth it. It's only $6 and it's really amazing. The next thing I got from ColourPop was the ColourPop Supernova Shadow in the shade Walk of Fame. This is like a pretty gold. It's so beautiful. I had my eye on this and I finally got it and I just love the glitter in that shadow. The next place I ordered from was KL Polish. I got the shade Taurus and I got the shade That's What She Said. These colors are so beautiful and I love KL Polish's formula. Kathleen Knights did a great job with this. By the way, shout out to Kathleen. I love her channel. She's amazing. And I really do love these colors. I'm wearing Taurus on all my fingers and wearing That's What She Said on my ring nail. I love these nail polishes. They're just perfect and I love the wand on them. It just makes me put on my nail polish so clean. Alright, the next place I went to was Forever 21 and I got these white high-waisted jeans. They're skinny jeans and I really did not have a pair of skinny jeans that were white, so I had to go get myself a pair when I saw them at Forever 21, and they're just skinny and high-waisted, pretty normal, just casual, but I really do love them. Really nice and comfortable. Next thing I got from Forever 21 was this sweater. It's like this fuzzy sweater and it's in between the color like wine / like plum. It's so beautiful. I love the color of this and I love how comfy it is. If you love sweaters, especially from Forever 21, this is a sweater for you because this sweater is amazing. The next thing I got was these wide leg satin palazzo pants from Forever 21, and I feel like palazzo pants has been such a big trend in 2017. As you can see, it has the whole wide leg thing going on. I just love palazzo pants. I just think they're so nice, and these are high-waisted and they have pockets, and these are really cute. I also wanted these for a while, so I finally got them. The next place I went to was Charlotte Russe. I only got one thing from there, and I got Celebrity Pink jeans. And let's talk about what a great deal your girl got. I got these jeans for $10, and these jeans are so comfortable. They're frayed at the bottom, they're light wash, they're just so cute. I legit just walked in Charlotte Russe and my jaw dropped. They were so cute, and I think I got a good deal. Don't you think so too? Yeah. And yeah, they're really cute. I needed also some new jeans because I don't know, I think my game is slacking on the jeans because I barely even get jeans. The next place I went to was Nordstrom. I got this Adidas shirt. I think it's perfect to wear with my Adidas soccer pants. Adidas has been a trend for 2017 also that I think is going to go into 2018. Adidas just has been trending and I don't mind it because I love their clothing. It's so cute. And yeah, I just went and got this shirt. Next thing I got from Nordstrom was this kind of like tear sleeved striped little shirt. It's kind of more of a summery shirt, but I thought it was really cute, so I thought I'd save it anyways for the summer. And also the whole sleeve thing has been trending, and also I don't mind it at all. I really do love the trend that's going on these days, and I think it's so cute, and I think it'd look really nice with the red palazzo pants that I showed you guys from before. Next thing I got is from Macy's. It's this satin bomber. It's also kind of in between plum / burgundy, and it's embroidered with these flowers. I really love the patches it had, and I just love bombers. I feel like I'm really getting into it, and I think it looks really cute and chill with my Adidas pants and like the Adidas shirt inside, and I think I'm gonna get more bombers because I really thought this was really cute. Next place I went to was Gap. I got these leggings to work out because I still use some lame Forever 21 leggings to work out, and I'm so glad that I got some actual workout leggings that are active and they're ankle length because your girl's short, and they have these flowers on it, and I can't wait to work out in them because I really do need it. The next place I went to was Adidas. I got this kind of like neon colored sweatshirt. It's kind of cropped a bit on the top, in the bottom, and in the back it's just normal. It's really cute. It's really warm. It's fleece lined, and Adidas is killing it. It really is perfect wear for winter, and it's just casual, really chill. I love sweatshirts, so when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. And yeah, it has a hoodie. It's just very casual. Next thing I got from Adidas was this snapback hoodie, which is actually, it has Velcro to tighten up when you want it, because you know, some people's heads are smaller, some are bigger, and it's really nice and classy. I really like the hoodie. Hat. The next place I went to was H&M, and I got this sweater dress, and now that I look at it, I think it would have been perfect to wear on New Year's Eve. Oh well, still cute to wear any single time of the year. It's just black, and it has kind of these silver sparkles. It's really cute. I really do love it, and I think it'd be so cute to wear with knee-high boots. Just picture it. And it has this collar thing. I really love this sweater dress. Can't wait to wear it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Get ready for some new videos coming up in 2018. I am so ready, and I hope you guys slay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!